thought you have on SuccessFactors, SAP SuccessFactors? Maybe just whatever you have heard from your friends or colleagues or on internet.
But myself, I am totally new to the SuccessFactors, but somebody says it is going to rule in the SAP market. That is the reason I thought of shifting to the SAP SuccessFactors.
Yeah, yeah, you're absolutely right. I guess it is Ram, right?
That is Prasad, I think.
Yeah, sorry, Prasad. Yeah, you're absolutely right, Prasad. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, Ram, any thoughts from your side?
Yeah, basically just I learned SAP payroll and other stuff, and sort of going in the meantime as this cloud came into the picture, and many clients looks like moving into Workday or SAP SuccessFactors kind of thing. That is the reason I think this SuccessFactor will have some feature compared to SAP traditional module.
Yeah, R3 ones, yes. Okay, yeah, that's good. Like maybe let me give a brief background of like what is SuccessFactor and why SAP is interested in acquiring SuccessFactor, and what is the roadmap of SAP with respect to SuccessFactor HR SCM suite. Okay, what happened is like in late 2009, 10, and 2011, like most of the vendors who are dealing with HR SCM modules, they came up with cloud solutions. And even like SAP came up with cloud solution by name like by design, and when it SAP compared, I guess Purna has arrived. Yeah, just a second, Ram and Prasad. Maybe we can introduce Purna.
Okay.
Yeah, and maybe we can start. Hello, Purna. Yeah, that's fine. Maybe he's not able to hear. Not sure.
Yeah, he has come. I think so.
Yeah. Hello, Purna.
Hi.
Yeah. Hi, Purna. Welcome to SuccessFactors demo. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Hey, Purna. We were just like done with introduction part. Like myself, I introduced myself, and Prasad and Ram are the other participants who are participating in this demo session. Like they got few years of experience into SAP HR or other payroll systems. Maybe you can just brief about your experience and where from you are.
Yeah. So actually I completed certification in SAP HR.
Okay.
So in 2012, before that I worked as a manager HR for 6 years.
Wow.
So last 2 years I did not do anything. So I'm doing trials on SAP HR.
Okay.
So I will not get as a fresher.
Oh yeah.
So that's why I'm unable to get the job.
Okay.
So presently I'm trying for do SAP SuccessFactors also.
Okay.
So I would like to know what is the difference between SuccessFactors features and SAP HR features. It is advanced for SAP HR or it is different ERP system like that. That is the difference we want to know. Then it is okay. I would like to learn for SuccessFactors.
Okay. Sure, Purna. Maybe to just answer your question at a high level, the business, the HR processes, whatever we follow in like R3, SAP R3 system, they're still intact with respect to SuccessFactors as well. But the system is completely different. It's a cloud-based system. So you cannot compare like R3 system where the screens are like they don't look good and the usage is very bad, maintenance is very bad. Like you need to struggle a lot. But with respect to SuccessFactors, it is simple to use. Even in like it's a toy like kind of thing where anyone can go ahead and use the tool Purna. At a very high level, that is my perspective. But Once we start
Okay,
demo,
okay.
right, we'll go into like what is the architecture of SuccessFactor, what are the different systems involved in SuccessFactor, what are the different modules involved in SuccessFactor, what are the modules that are demand in the market as of today, how we can correlate these modules to R3 system modules. All those things we'll discuss during our demo session. Yeah, probably you can get a more insight
Okay.
once we are done with the demo session.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Let me start with like a brief background of like what is SuccessFactors and what they are doing before SAP has acquired them, and what is the reason like why SAP is interested in acquiring SuccessFactor tool. Yeah, all those things we'll discuss. Yeah. What happened is like basically in 2009, late 2009, starting in late 2009, most of the vendors who are basically operating in HR HCM like Salesforce, Oracle, SAP, they came up with their own cloud solutions to handle the HR or HCM business processes. So,
Okay.
so from SAP side, what they did is that they come up with a by design system. SAP, it's not only specific to HR or HCM system. SAP came up by design systems for all the systems, like whether you take CRM, FICO, or whatever module you take, they came up with a by design cloud-based tool in the corresponding modules. And somehow by design was not able to compete in the market with other vendors. So it with respect to market share in the cloud, it was lagging far behind Workday. That's what I can say. Workday was the major market leader in 2009, 2010, and 2011. So that's the reason why like SAP was a bit failure with respect to by design architecture and systems. So that then starting 2011, they realized that they are not able to lead the market share, and then they started looking for acquisitions. So they changed their mood of like instead of developing their own cloud-based solutions, let's start acquiring other vendors like who are very good into the market. So in the same lines, SAP has acquired SuccessFactors in 2011 December. I mean to say that the deal has been struck between SAP's. One second. Yeah, sorry about that. Yeah.
Yeah.
The deal between SAP and SuccessFactors has been done in December 2011, and they were able to complete the acquisition by February 2012. Yeah, that's how the deal went, and the deal size is like $3.4 billion. This is the basic background of like why SAP acquired SuccessFactors. And before SAP acquired SuccessFactors, SuccessFactors was the market leader in the talent management solutions on the cloud. They are not providing the complete HR or HCM suite. Like they don't have a organization management, they don't have a personal administration, they don't have time management. They don't have a payroll on their tool, and they are market leaders in talent management solutions like goal management, performance management, succession and development, compensation management, and in JAM, I mean the social collaboration. In those particular modules, they are the market leaders, and that is the main reason SAP showed a lot of interest in acquiring SuccessFactors. And once SAP acquired SuccessFactors, what they did is they have a roadmap kind of thing. As SuccessFactors doesn't have the core HR or HCM modules, they thought of building the core HR like a PA, OM, your time management, payroll in the cloud using the architecture of SuccessFactors, not using the architecture of by design. Why? Because by design is like they realized that it is not it's not a success architecture. That's the reason like they started building these modules based on the SuccessFactors architecture.
Okay.
Yeah. So are you clear till this point? Or
Right.
if anyone has
Good.
some doubt, like maybe need some explanation, I'm ready to give that.
It's clear.
Yep. Okay. Yeah. Cool. Maybe I'll just use these slides, but may not be like I can give 100% in these slides. I will speak more rather than following the slides. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So what is SuccessFactor? Like SuccessFactor is the global leader, as I told you. SuccessFactor is the global leader in business execution software. The SuccessFactor execution software is called as Bizx suite, and it is a cloud-based. As I told you, right? It is a completely talent management solutions. What they have, and they are market leaders in the talent management solutions. And this is like, we'll discuss about this point, like SAP offers SuccessFactors solutions both as a standalone solution as well as hybrid solution. Going forward, I'll explain you like how you can still use your R3 HR system as well as SuccessFactors system in the cloud. What are the kind of integrations you have to do between the two systems? I'll talk more about those things going forward. Okay. Yeah. So, what is the architecture of SuccessFactors? SuccessFactors is a cloud, you know, right? SuccessFactors is a cloud-based solution, and the model behind any cloud-based solution is the SaaS model. SaaS model is nothing but software as a service, and that is also called as on-demand. It is nothing different than like you are accessing your Gmail. Probably everyone might have got their own Gmail or any other email, right? So what? The data, all your accounts will be hosted at a different location. I mean to say at the Google data centers or Yahoo data centers. At those places, your data will be stored and your credentials, everything will be maintained at those data centers. In the same fashion, when you look at the SuccessFactors system and the customer data, hardware, everything is being hosted at the SuccessFactors data centers. And what happens is like, as a customer to SuccessFactors, you will get a login credentials. What is your company ID? What is your username? What is your password? That's it. These three parameters are sufficient to log on to the system and go ahead and do your regular business activities. This is how like when you talk with respect to the customer is not responsible to go ahead and maintain their own hardware or do a regular patch up or like go for an upgrade. Such kind of things are not required in the case of cloud solutions. That is that's how like SaaS model used to operate. And you can see these are the benefits of SaaS. Like as the customer is not going to maintain the software or hardware, there is no hardware maintenance is required. There is no what you call regular releases or updates being done by customer. And he can access the software from anywhere in the world, just if they have the internet connection. That's it.
Okay.
And these SaaS, you can ask me like, as everyone like say there are so many customers in the world who will be subscribing to SuccessFactors, and you can ask like how they are going to segregate each customer so that customer A data is not going to be correlated with the customer B and at the same with the customer C, and how the data security has been provided by SuccessFactors. What happens is like any SaaS software is like a multi-tenant. Tenant is nothing but we can talk it like a customer. Each customer will get their own tenant on the SuccessFactors system, even though the underlying hardware and the underlying database, everything is common across all the customers. But when you talk about customer A specific thing, right? Customer A customizations, like what are the customizations they do with their system, what are the data that they are going to store in their with respect to their system. I mean to say in their tenant is not going to be shared with the customer B, or there is no way of like this configuration or this data is going to be correlated with the customer B. Okay, that is how the multi-tenant architecture is going to work. And the kind of security SuccessFactors provides is very good, and it got lot of certifications from various security international security bodies, and we are completely secure by storing our data at the SuccessFactors data center. Okay.
Okay.
And this is a basic like comparison, like what is SAP and what is SuccessFactors. I know most of you know, right? SAP has got a very good history. with a lot of like 15,000 plus of global HCM customers, and the revenues are like 16 billion euros, and this blah blah blah, all those things. And even like as SuccessFactors is a individual company before acquisition, it got its own customers, and before before the acquisition, these were the revenues with that company. Yeah, and they are operating in 35 languages, around 168 countries in the throughout the globe. And you can see these are the benefits of like combining the SAP experience in various modules like core HR modules, payroll, and SuccessFactors talent management. As you know, right, SAP is very good in payroll or core HR HCM modules. The kind of business process they are following or the kind of system access they have is very good, but they are not good at cloud solutions. And SuccessFactors is very good in the cloud solutions, but they don't have the core HR or payroll solutions in their systems. So when we are going to combine these two systems, you can imagine like what are the wonders they can create in the market. And definitely, as we talked just a few minutes before, the SuccessFactors is an evolving system in the HR HCM market space, and definitely it is going to lead the market in HR HCM suite, and there is no doubt in that one. And even like, let me tell you one thing, even SAP came up with a roadmap of withdrawing the support for R3 HR HCM suite from 2020, and they are going to invest huge amount, and all the innovations is going to be done in SuccessFactors, and it is not going to be done in the R3 system. And that is the reason why, like say, within next 6 years, all the SAP customers who are using HR HCM systems are migrating their systems to the cloud solution, which is nothing but SuccessFactors systems. And maybe you can ask like all the customers by this time they have already invested a lot of huge amount of investments in their HR HCM on-premise solutions. I mean to say here, on-premise is nothing but your R3 HR system. Yeah. So they might be losing most of the amount that they have invested so far in the on-premise system. But thing is like, when you want to move to the cloud solution, that is SuccessFactors, it is not required to completely move your on-premise solutions, like whether it is a core HR module or it is talent management modules or anything. What you can do is like, if you are interested only in compensation management on the SuccessFactors, then you can just buy a license for your compensation management from SuccessFactors, I mean to say SAP SuccessFactors, and integrate your R3 system, on-premise R3 system with the SuccessFactors compensation management system. That is how it goes. Like, you don't need to buy a complete suite of SuccessFactors from SAP and you have to migrate your data to SuccessFactors. You can just buy whatever the modules you are interested, integrate your R3 system with the SuccessFactors module, whatever you just brought from SAP system. And later, if you are interested in few more modules than your compensation management, suppose say you are interested in complete talent management suite, then you can buy the licenses associated to the other complete talent management modules and just integrate your R3 system with the talent management modules of SuccessFactors. That's how it goes. As an iterative kind of thing, right? That is the reason like most of the existing SAP R3 customers are moving to SuccessFactors either in one of the modules. That is how SAP is recommending their current vendor customers to move on to the SuccessFactors cloud solution. And definitely by 2020, almost like 95% of the existing SAP customers will move on to SuccessFactors. Yeah. Is it clear, Ram, Prasad, Purna?
Yeah.
Okay. And when we look at SuccessFactors suite, right, internally it has different modules, and these are the following 4 segregations where we can classify our modules. Some of this comes under core HR solutions, and some of them are talent management solutions, and some are HR analytics, and some are social collaboration. When you look at core HR solutions, right, you can see there are 2 modules, Employee Central and Employee Central Payroll, and this includes your time management as well. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. And when you look at the talent management solution, these are the modules, whether it is a goal management, performance management, compensation management, variable pay. Variable pay is like advanced concept of your compensation management, and learning solutions, learning management solutions within nothing but our LSO, recruiting and onboarding. These modules comes under your talent solutions, and HR analytics is nothing but like the reporting, whatever we do in our BIR BW system. That is how like that falls under HR analytics. It got both analytics and planning, and the kind of reports that we get in SuccessFactors is very vast. You name it, whatever the data you want to retrieve from the system, there will be a standard report available for that. That is how their reporting architecture is developed. And this social collaboration is nothing but they have a SAP Jam. It is nothing but like it's what I can say, it's more than your Facebook or your LinkedIn or any other social collaboration tool. You can, using this SAP Jam, you can conduct your meetings, you can record your session, you can share your document, you can chat with your co-employees, whatnot. Like you can do all those things using the SAP Jam.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll discuss about like more like what each module is going to do, what is the how it look like in the system. All those things we look into, like going forward we'll look into it. Maybe as this is a demo, right, I'm just giving you a very high level picture of like what are the, at a high level, what are the modules existing in the system. Yeah, and you can see this is the roadmap that SAP has delivered. SAP is planning to go ahead after SuccessFactors acquisition. You can see here the modules which are highlighted in gray color, right? You can see these things. These are the modules that SAP is going to invest and innovate some features in those corresponding modules. You can see SAP Core HR. When you look at on-premise solutions, this is nothing but your R3 system. SAP is going to invest some amount in your R3 organization management, personal administration, payroll, those things. And it is going to invest, at the same time it is going to invest and develop cloud, SuccessFactors Cloud Solution Employee Central. Employee Central is nothing but it is equivalent to your organization management, personal administration, and your payroll and time management. And with respect to HR Core, you can see some amount is being invested and some kind of research is being done on-premise as well as on the cloud solutions. But the majority of investment goes to your SuccessFactors Cloud Solution Employee Central. And when you look at your performance and goal management, you can see SAP is not going to invest anything in the performance and goal management on the R3 system, whereas complete investment and innovation is going to be done on the cloud SuccessFactors solution, that is performance and goal management. As you know, right, I'll keep on telling that SuccessFactors is the market leader in the performance and goal management, and that is the reason like SAP don't want to invest any amount in the on-premise R3 solution, and they just want to go with your SuccessFactors performance and goal management. Let me tell you one more thing here, like going forward, whenever a new customer comes to SAP for an implementation of HR or HCM solution, SAP is not going to implement the R3 HR or HCM solutions. SAP is going to insist the customer to go with the SuccessFactors solutions. Unless when the customer is only interested in the core solutions, then he can choose a choice between either the on-premise R3 solution or it is a cloud solution. But if it is other than the core solutions, definitely SAP is recommending and they are insisting their customers to go with these SuccessFactors. And that is the reason, like going forward, you don't see huge number of opportunities in your SAP R3 on-premise solutions, but there will be a lot number of openings in the cloud SuccessFactors cloud solutions. And this is the transition period within the 6 years. We got these 6 years starting from 2014 to until 2020. All the consultants or like employees who are working in HR, SAP R3 HR solutions, they have to learn the cloud solution and they should start working on the cloud solutions, without which there won't be any demand for them going forward. That is for sure. that is with respect to performance and goals. And when you go with the compensation, the same thing. Again, the SuccessFactors is very strong in the compensation management. SAP is also okay in the compensation management, but going forward they want to investigate and innovate only in the SuccessFactors compensation management. And you will be amazed by seeing the SuccessFactors compensation management, the kind of web tools available for them, the kind of integration between the goal management and performance management systems with the compensation management is very good. And that is the reason like SAP wants to go with SuccessFactors compensation management instead of investing amount in the R3 solutions. And when you look at the succession and development, you see SAP has got Nakisa to do succession and development management module to handle succession and development module. But going forward, you still have Nakisa available, but all the investment and research will be carried down only in the SuccessFactors succession and development module. And you can see recruiting. I'm not sure what is your perspective on recruitment, but for me, I don't think so. SAP recruitment is a very good solution, whatever they have currently. And SuccessFactors got like a very good solution with respect to recruiting. And that's the reason, like that is one of the reason like SAP wants to go with SuccessFactors recruitment module. And when you look at SuccessFactors recruitment module, it easily helps the HR team to successfully identify the profiles. Are there any other internal employees who got this similar kind of competency? I mean to say identifying internal talent. It also provides like, I'm not sure like somehow like there is an echo coming from like some noise is coming from your side, Ram, Purna or Prasad. Let me mute you. Like maybe if you have some question, right? Just unmute yourself and you can shoot your question. Okay. Yeah, you are muted. Okay, that's fine. Okay. And with respect to recruiting, the kind of interface they have is like very good with respect to the hiring process, and everything is good. And the hiring process with respect to SuccessFactors is very transparent. And the same with the fashion with respect to learning solutions, and SuccessFactors is very good at their LMS system, learning management solutions, and that's the reason like SAP wants to go with SuccessFactors learning management. And when you look at this social collaboration tool, SAP doesn't got any existing tool which can be used in the social collaboration, but SuccessFactors already got Jam, and that's the reason like SAP wants to go with the SuccessFactors Jam itself instead of going for a new system development. And you can see workforce planning. Currently, they don't have any module which is handling workforce planning. And when you look at the SuccessFactors, they already got workforce planning, and they want to go with SuccessFactors workforce planning only instead of going with a new again a new module innovation in the R3 or on-premise solutions. It's basically like workforce planning is nothing but you are going to build, do your analytics data to provide customers with the ability to identify current and projected workforce needs. Nothing but like you are going to estimate like what kind of talent the organization is going to require going forward in order to handle their projects. Those kind of planning can be done using the SuccessFactors workforce planning. That is like at a very high level. Going forward, we'll see like what kind of dashboards it is going to provide, what kind of planning reports that are available in the SuccessFactors. All those things we'll look into detail, but at a high level, that helps to identify the talent that is required going forward in your organization. And similarly, in the same lines, analytics. In the current R3 system, most of the customers are using BI or BW system for their reporting, and that is going to exist even going forward. But major amount of investment or like innovation is going to take place with respect to your SuccessFactors workforce analytics. And you can see mobile or HCM, the kind of market share with respect to mobile HCM is very less when we talk with respect to only SAP systems. They got Sybase platform for the developing mobile apps, and recently they have even went with a SAP Fiori, and I don't think like in both of those things they got a huge customer base. But with respect to SuccessFactors Bizx, it's very good, and the kind of applications you can use from your Bizx mobile is like very good. Like most of the employee central activities like your time reporting or time management or your time off or your employee profile, your compensation statement, all those things you can access from your mobile using your SuccessFactors Bizx mobile app. We'll see like maybe going forward we'll see like we'll install that particular app in our system. We will integrate that particular app from each of your smartphones or iPads to your instance. I mean to say the account that I'm going to create for you guys in the SuccessFactors system. We are going to integrate those two things, the instance, your account that is existing on the SuccessFactors instance system to your mobile app, and we'll see like what are the things we can access from your SuccessFactors Bizx mobile. Is it clear? Hello?
Yeah, it's clear.
Yeah, okay. Just maybe you could stop me at any point of time if you need some more explanation or like if you have some doubt on that particular point, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. And you can see, as I am telling you right, after SAP acquired SuccessFactors, it started implementing, when they acquired SuccessFactors, they don't have an employee central. I mean to say they don't have a core HR solutions in the SuccessFactors. And after SAP acquired SuccessFactors, they started developing employee central. And currently the situation is like this: complete your organization management, personal administration is available in your employee central on the cloud. With respect to payroll, they are like I can say they have already implemented 75% of their payroll functionality on the cloud. And with respect to time, they are like 60% done with the time management. That's the reason like they are still evolving. I mean to say they are doing lot of investment in the cloud solutions and making it like as robust as like what we have in the R3 solution. That's the reason. That is how like still it is. I can say the employee central is still evolving, but most of the functionality is already available in the employee central. And I'm telling you like employee central is like the heart of SuccessFactors solutions. And each and every consultant like whoever is going to work on SuccessFactors, they should be very good at employee central module handling. Okay. And what is the name that SuccessFactors is going to call all these modules together? It is nothing but Bizx suite, which is nothing but your business execution suite. That is the name that they used to call Bizx. It is nothing but the combination of all the modules or solutions that SuccessFactors is providing on the cloud. Okay, these are the various screens that I have captured from individual modules. This is the okay. So you can see here. You got this is the performance and goal management screenshot. You can see your performance rating or any badges that you have assigned or any comments from your reviewer. All those things, any gap or comments on your goal sheet, all those things you can see on your performance and goal management screen after you log in into SuccessFactors systems. Don't worry, I will be showing you like how it looks like going forward within this demo itself. All the screens. And this is your compensation. You can see this is your compensation worksheet, and you can see there are a couple of employees who got under this particular manager, and you can see there is a current salary tab, your merit, your lump sum payment, what are the adjustment that the manager wants to go ahead, and whether the employee is due for any promotion, are there any recommendations need to be done with respect to the promotion of the employee or the team member, and what is the final salary. And there are a lot of things that we can go ahead and do on this compensation worksheet. You can go and plan your budget. You can go and plan your implement your merit guidelines, what kind of merit. Say if you got your, say on a scale of 1 to 5 rating in your goals or performance, then you have to define your guidelines. Say for every 2 rating guy, I have to give a merit of like 2 to 3%. Or if say there is a guy who got like a 5% of 5 rating, then I have to give a merit of 8 to 10%. Those are the guidelines you are going to define in this worksheet. And once you define those worksheet guidelines, that will be automatically applied to your all the team members, and you can see what the hike that they are going to get. And if they want to go with any bonus payment, they can work on this compensation worksheet. We'll see like an end-to-end of compensation management. Create a compensation plan, create a compensation worksheet, and we can work on the column designer. All those things will going forward. We'll see 100% of compensation management we are going to work on. And definitely you are going to love this particular compensation management from SuccessFactors. And this is your succession and development. Yeah, it's not a very big module, like a lot of development needs to be done from the individual consultants. Most of the functionality is already existing, and we can just go ahead and use that particular success and development module once you are done with your activation of the SuccessFactors success and development in the provisioning system. I'll tell you like what is the instance and provisioning system. Just go through these slides. This is your recruitment at a very high level, and this is your jam. You can see here like the charts, they are sharing their document, they are sharing their videos, all those things they are doing on the SAP jam. And these are the workforce analytics. You can see a lot of reports with graphs and all those things are available. And these are the workforce planning. You can see it got a large number of dashboards where you can go and plan your workforce talent as per your requirements in the organization. And this is your employee central, which is the heart of SuccessFactors. Yeah, you can see the upload your photos. You can see there are some badges given by other team members. There are some tags telling that to which team the particular employee belongs and used to work for other teams. All those things you can see. Let me go into the like what is the architecture of SuccessFactors with respect to technical perspective and with respect to system wise. When you talk about technical architecture of SuccessFactors, as I told you, right, it's a SaaS model one system and a multi-tenant system. What does that mean? Like, what are the layers that are involved in that particular system? I'll show you like how it looks like. This is the at high level. This is the SuccessFactors application architecture. It is divided into 3 layers. You can see one is the database layer at the bottom of the screen, and there is the middle layer which is nothing but your application layer, and the other layer is your customer layer, which is nothing but your browsers or system integration services are available from your internet connection. This is the 3-layer architecture. You have at the down level you have your database. Over database you have your applications. Over that you have your customer layer. This you can call it as like that is the customer or communication layer. That's how you will call it as. And one of the fundamental differences between your SAP R3 HCM solution SuccessFactors is that SuccessFactors is the multi-tenant platform. I told you that multi-tenant is the use of a single instance or single hardware, single database and single software system, but each customer got their own isolated system or that particular common hardware, database and software instance. That is called as multi-tenant platform. And this landscape of SuccessFactors is similar to any other web enabled applications. You can take any Java enabled system, it will be in the same fashion. You have a database layer, over that you have application layer, over that you have a communication or your customer like web browser layer available. It is nothing, it won't deviate from that particular architecture. It is still intact to that particular thing. And what is the specialty of this particular architecture is like this SuccessFactors is a stateless application, which is nothing but it is not going to store like what is your navigation. Like say if you are navigating from your talent management web page to your Employee Central web page, it don't remember like you have been navigated from your talent management screen to your Employee Central. I mean to say, it is not going to store lot of data in its RAM, and that is the reason why, like, specifically it is very fast with respect to the performance. When it stores lot amount of data, right, it has to manipulate all those data, and the response from the server is going to be impacted because of that. As it is stateless application, it is very fast in nature. That is with respect to the technical architecture, and this is the stateless application is the very important thing. And one of the interview questions that they will ask you, like when you go to your SuccessFactors interview on any module, this is the common question like you can expect from your interviewers, whether it is a stateless application or a stateful application. And SuccessFactors is a stateless application. You will be able to give some brief what is a stateless application and what is the advantage of that one. Is it clear? Okay. And you can see here, with respect to database is nothing but you got your set of tables and all those things. Or this database, you have your application. These applications are nothing but your goal management or your recruitment or any other modules that are hosted on the with respect to the SuccessFactors system. And this communication customer is nothing but your web browser. And this is the administration page, like when you log on to the SuccessFactors instance with the admin rights, this is the home page that you, this is the admin page that you are going to see. You can see various modules on this screen. You can see your goal management here. You can see your performance management here. You can see your 36 reviews with respect to the performance management. You can see your compensation management. You can see your variable pay module. You can see your calibration, learning, development and succession, recruiting, employee files. That is nothing but your employee central, reporting and analytics, job profiles, and common company settings. These company settings is like you can go and create, upload some logos to SuccessFactors systems, or go ahead and change your home screens or any other broadcast message that you want to send it to the all the employees in the organization or subgroup of the employees in the organization. I'll show you like how it looks like once you log into the instance. I'll show you the system how it looks like. This is with respect to the technical architecture of the SuccessFactors systems. But when you look at what are the systems that are available when you start working on SuccessFactors systems, what is the system architecture? What are the different systems that are available with respect to SuccessFactors? At a high level, I can say there will be only two systems. One is your provisioning system and another is your instance. Provisioning is nothing but your backend system. I can say that is nothing, that is the place where, say, one of the customer has brought their talent management license from SuccessFactors. But as it is a cloud-based solution, right, you are not going to install or deploy anything on the customer side. Everything will be hosted by SuccessFactors in their data centers, but they are going to provide a tenant to that particular customer. And in that particular tenant, you have to go and activate your talent management solutions so that the customer organization employees will be able to use the talent management solutions that they brought from the SuccessFactors. It is nothing but you can think of like it's the switch framework whatever we have in the R3 systems. It's nothing more than that. You just go and activate the modules or switches as you got the license from SuccessFactors. That's it. You just need to, I'll show you, like you just go ahead and activate some of those things, like it's a click and provide some description and save those things. That's it. Nothing more than that. It is as simple as that. That is one of the functionality of provisioning. Just activate your module to use the talent management solutions of SuccessFactors and cloud. Then they have to integrate their R3 system with the SuccessFactors systems. So with respect to these things, what are the different integration options that are available? to the customer. There are like, at a high level, there are 4 different things that are available to integrate your R3 system with the SuccessFactors. Yeah. You can see here in this particular slide, you can see there are 3 options that I am showing you. The first option is nothing but your flat file based data uploaded into SuccessFactors system, which you are going to extract from your ERP or HCM system. And the next one is integrating using your SAP NetWeaver process integration tool. PI is now called as PO with respect to 7.3 version. Nothing but your process orchestration. You can use those things as a middleware tool to go ahead and do your bidirectional data integration from SuccessFactors to ERP system or from ERP to your SuccessFactors system. And the latest thing that is available from SAP is your HANA-based cloud integration. This is also bidirectional middleware where you can integrate your SuccessFactors system with ERP or HCM system. And apart from these 3 options or tools available, there is one more popular cloud-based tool available, and this is the tool that most of the customers are using as of now to integrate their SuccessFactors system with ERP R3 system. I mean to say SAP R3 system. This is nothing but Boomi Cloud Atomsphere integration tool. It's again a cloud-based tool, and it is being delivered by Dell company. And it is very simple to go ahead and integrate your SAP R3 on-premise system with your cloud-based SuccessFactors system. I'll show you like at a high level, like I can say this is a little bit old, but they got like a very good huge customer base as of today, and they are very good. They are doing very good with respect to SuccessFactors in the cloud solutions. Yeah. If you have any doubts like so far in the topics, whatever we have discussed, maybe you can just shoot it to me, or any other general doubts like with respect to your career in SuccessFactors, or like anything, you can just shoot it to me. I'll be able to answer you. If at all I will not be able to answer at this moment, I'll send you an update via email or phone.
Hello?
Yep.
Purna here.
Yeah, Purna.
Hello?
Purna, go ahead.
Yeah, I have one doubt. Actually, SAP HR system, so we have installed one demo software in home. We can practice on that actually.
Yeah.
So same like that, how we can practice in software SuccessFactors here?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Sorry, I forgot about this thing, but that's a very good question, Purna. Let me tell you, as this is a cloud-based solution or system, right? There is no option of going ahead and installing it on our desktops or on our laptops or on our smartphones or any other thing. And only thing we can do is like get a subscription from SuccessFactors with respect to your company and your